A few moments later.
Axolotl Gaming here,
And EJ Gamer.
and today we are doing our favourite site. So I'm doing 3, and the first one I'm showing you is my least favourite. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering, why is this your least favourite? Well, there's quite a few reasons. So you know how most slimes are stretchy? This one's getting stretchier because I haven't played with it for maybe a month now, at least.
Probably.
I haven't been a little bit. So I am rating this I reckon a 4 because it's easily rippable and it's not the best slime, but it is satisfying to play with and watch those things sink. Okay, second favourite slime is a really good slime, I think. Now I gotta get you guys up because you guys are going to see my favourite slime. Okay, so you guys can comment it down below after I have finished showing you all of these slimes, because I have one more after this, a very stretchy slime. So, you know these stress balls? I think I gave the other bit to my cousin.
Me?
Yep. So it's like this creamy stuff out of this ball, and it makes stuff really stretchy and soft. So I put it in here. It is a really good slime, but I rate this
I put mine into here. Really big.
squishy. I rate
thick.
Yes, if you heard that, that is the slime.
Getting slapped.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Now, my favourite.
Dummy thick.
It's not dummy thick.
Mine is.
I know yours is. That's yours.
Mix it.
So this one is my favourite. A special type. No!
I don't mean that.
I know what you mean. That one, you want that one. So I really like this one because it is stretchy, soft and foamy, because we have been... Shut up. We have been adding shaving cream, and that's it. So now what I'm going to do...
Dummy thick.
Comment down below what one's your favourite.
Which one is your favourite?
Number 1, number 2, or number 3.
3.
Thanks for watching.
Or
Bye.
number 4.
Or number 4.
Which is mine.
Yep, it's a glossy one. It's soft. Mine's a mint green. Anyway,
You just hear that.
yes.
Crap.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.